Very good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you are all fine. Yes, children? Yes. Shall we start the class? Yes. Why wasting time? Yes? Yes. Tell me, what is the date today? Today it is 18th August month and year is 2021. Today is Wednesday. We have English subject. Yes, children? Let us see that thought for the day. Every new day brings with it another chance to change life. Yes, every new day will bring with another chance to change our life. This is the thought for the day today. Yes, children? Yes. Then, children, in English, we were in which lesson? Yes, we were in the lesson number 1. A hero with a difference. A hero with some difference. Okay, we will see what is the difference. Yes, children? Please take out your English textbook part 1 and open page number 2. Yes, children? In page number 1 we completed words. Then reading text also we completed. Yes. So what all we learned, children, in previous class? In this lesson we learned about friends, friends, those who are Meena and Leena. Yes. Then what about they were discussing? They were discussing about mole. What is mole? Yes, mole is nothing but, in the picture you can see page number 2. Here the face, on the face you have one black spot, right? That is called mole. Okay, they were discussing about mole only. Okay, yes. What they were discussing? They were discussing that Meena didn't like, she hated that mole on her face. It looks like a worm and all. The others were teasing her. So what Leena, her sister Leena, she told her, that is nothing. That is a special difference which you have in yourself. You are different from others. That looks very beautiful for your face. Like that and all. Her sister told her. Okay. So what we should do? We should not we should not tell bad on others if they don't have legs, eyes, if they are not able to speak. We should not make fun of such people. We should also give respect to that people. Yes, you should help them. Yes, instead of helping, we should not tease them. That is not good, right, children? Yes, that and all we learned in the previous classes, children. Now we will learn the lesson, main lesson. Okay. Here in page number 2, you have a daily news. Here they are given. Read, see, children. This is a daily news in newspaper. They have given this. Okay. Let us see what is that. Masudur Rahman Badia. His name is Masudur Rahman Badia. Creates history by crossing English Channel without legs. See, that person is not having legs. So he is creating a history in English Channel. Let us see what is that. Yes, children? Yes. The headlines of all the leading newspapers screamed the news to his success in 1977. Okay, in 1997, he was very famous in the what? Leading newspapers and all. Okay, why he was famous? Let us see. Okay, born in Balagpur, West Bengal in 1968. He was born in West Bengal, Balagpur in year 1968. Masudur at the age of 10 had lost both his legs in goods train accident. In goods train, you know goods train, right, children? Many of the goods they will carry from one place to another through the train, right? That is called goods train. Because of that accident, he lost his legs when he was 10 years old. Okay, both legs were not there. Yes, then he was coming from a poor family. Okay, he was coming from a poor family. His father was Imam. Okay, his father's name is Imam. He came from a local mosque. Okay, his father was working in a local mosque. Okay, after the train accident, Masudur spent 1.5 years of different hospitals. Yes, after losing his both legs, what he spent 1.5 years, he spent in the different hospitals for treatment. Okay. His family thought that he would never be able to move freely or do anything for the rest of his life. What their family thought, after his legs is got, both legs have been gone, right? Then what he will do? In future, maybe he cannot lead his life without himself. With himself he cannot move. He needs somebody's help. Yes, both legs are not there. If he want to move to one place to another, somebody should help him, right? So they thought like that. Maybe in the rest of the life it is difficult for him to lead like that. They thought. But little did they know how brave Masadur was. Following his doctor's advice, what? Masadur took exercise regularly. Yes, he took the doctor's advice and he was very brave also. And what he did? Regularly started doing exercises. It was at this point in his life that Masadur also began to learn swimming in the village pond. Yes, what he started doing? He started swimming in the village ponds. Okay, he didn't sit simply after losing his both legs. See what he is doing. He is a very brave man, right? Yes. Swimming is a sport where one needs high mental and physical fitness. Yes, one person who want to swim, who want to do swimming. Yes, he needs what he needs. Mentally he should be capable and physically also. Yes, mentally means your brain should be very fresh, very this what I will do that should be there, right? And physical fitness should be. That means our body should be fit. There should not be any problem in our body. Otherwise, we can't do that swimming and all. Okay. But it demands high physical strength. We need high physical strength to do that swimming and all. Okay. One's body to water and keep pushing forward. Yes, we should push forward means physical body should be perfect. Yes. Masadur Rahman's body made it extremely difficult for him to swim. It was very difficult because he is not having both his legs. To swim it was very difficult. Yes, he felt that difficult, but he kept trying. He didn't sit simply. What he did? He started trying to swim again and again. He is trying if he can't do also. Yes. So his will to succeed and his patience were unmatched. His patience was unmatched. But he tried. He is not living. I will succeed. I will do something. If I am not having leg also, I will do some successful thing. Like that he was having that willpower. Yes, children? Yes. Then next page. In 1989, the Artificial Limb Center of Pune organized a national swimming competition. Yes, in 1989, in the year 1989, Artificial Limb Center. You know limbs. Yes, your legs and hands only are limb parts. Yes, you learned in EVS, right? That is the limb. Okay. That center of the Pune, that center was there. And what they did? They organized some competition, that is swimming competition. Okay. Masadur travelled all the way from West Bengal to Maharashtra to participate in the event. What? He from West Bengal to Maharashtra, he travelled. Okay. He travelled to participate in that event. Okay. To everyone's surprise, Masadur bagged the first position in 16 out of 17 swimming races. Yes, what he did? First swimming race, Masadur, first position he came in 16 out of 17 swimming people. Okay, swimming races. In 16 and 17 he came first. Okay. In this year, in the years that Masadur continued to take part in swimming competition conducted within and outside his home state. What he started doing? He didn't just sit at home. What he did again? He started participating in different competitions in his state only. Okay, inside the state itself, wherever he need to go, he started going and participating in the swimming competition. Yes, children. Yes. Then he was a disabled swimmer who had a very strong will and unmatched perseverance. Yes, he was having a disabled. He was not having leg, right? That is called disabled. Yes. Then too, he swimmed. His willpower was very strong. So he tried and tried and tried. Lastly he win. Okay, children, in swimming. Yes. However, Masadur became famous in 1997. In which year he became famous? He became in the year 1997 famous. Okay. When he became first physical challenge Asian swimmer to cross the English channel successfully. In Asian, this only, he was the best swimmer. He became the best swimmer and English channels and all covered him. Okay, how he is doing swimming and what and all he is doing for doing that swimming and how he came first. Everything they are covering in the English channels. Okay, yes. Following this, he became the world's first physical challenge swimmer to swim across the Strait of Gibraltar in 2001. He was a physical challenge person who is not having legs, right, or hands. They don't have some parts of within them, right? They are called as disabled people, physically challenged people. Okay, he became very famous and he started to swim across the Strait and Gibraltar in 2001. Okay, he achieved his feat by swimming from Tarifa Islands in Spain to shores of Mokoro. Okay, there what he did in Tarifa Islands. In Tarifa Island, it is in Spain. Okay, there he participated in one more swimming race. Okay, swimming race. A total distance about 22 kilometers in just 4 hours and 25 minutes. What he did, he swimmed within how many kilometers? 22 kilometers he swim. Okay, he swim within 4 hours 20 minutes. 4 hours 20 minutes. Within that he completed swimming 22 kilometers. Since you think how hard it is, right? That too he is not having leg. Then too he succeeded, right? Yes, news channel interviewed Masood and his pictures were on the cover pages of newspapers. The next morning, he became a celebrated sportsman. He became at last a very good sportsman. Yes, all the newspapers covered him. His photo came in front pages in magazines, newspapers and all. Very great, right children? Very great person. Yes. Masood found a admirer in the sports star Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar also admired him. He told, you are also very great person. You are greater than everybody, like that. He has admired him. Okay. Tendulkar visited Masood in 2014. He visited him. He went and saw that Masood. Okay. And he saluting Masood achievements, he said. Saluting him, he said, they are the real heroes and their lives all like an inspiration to all of us. Yes, they are inspiration like us. Like them only, we also should succeed something in our life, children. That is the great thing. He is a very great person, right? Yes, he is saluted. Who is Sachin Tendulkar? You know Sachin Tendulkar. He is a cricketer, right? Yes, you know very well. Even after all the fame that he enjoyed, Masood continued to live a very simple life. Then too he succeeded so much, but then too he is living a very simple life like us only. Okay, he is a great person. With his mother, his wife and his daughters, he lived in the village till he passed away in 2015. Yes, he lived with his mother, wife, children. Okay, with them he is living in his village only, but till he died, he was with them only. He died in the year 2015. Okay, he was always enthusiastically involved in social swimmer organizations as a trainer and advisor. He didn't keep quiet. He was a trainer for other swimmers. Okay, he had an organization. He was training to the persons and he was giving advice also how to swim, what you should do, everything tips he was giving to the swimmers. Okay, a lot of youngsters found inspiration in Masood. Yes, all the young people, Masood, they are taking him as an inspiration. By seeing him, they are also learning that is called inspiration. Okay, yes. He said to them, it is absolutely possible for the person with physical disabilities to do things better than others. Yes, compared to us, we have both legs, both hands, everything. But then too, we are not having that willpower with us, right? But these disability people are there, no? Those who are not having legs, hands and all that, people have more confidence in them. They have that willpower to succeed in whatever they want. Yes, children? Yes. Then, but you have to dedicate your cause. Masood, you should dedicate to that. You should work hard till success comes. Till that you should work Otherwise, you can't succeed. Okay. Masadur life has been an inspiration story of determination and courage. Determination and courage. He is having a courage. I can do that. The willpower he is having. So he is a very great person. Right, children? Yes. How was the story? Yes. Very inspiration, right? We are getting goosebumps also. Yes. It is very interesting story. Yes, children. Next we have, let us discuss. Yes. What is that? We have some questions. Answer me. What did Meena hate about herself? What she hate about herself? She hate about herself is I hate this black mole. She told here, right? She hate that black mole. That is black spot in her face. Okay, that is the answer. What did Leena tell her sister? What Leena told? Leena told, see here it is the answer. Her sister Leena, here it is, see. She told that you have a makes on your face different everyone. Black mole that you have. She is telling that which black mole is having in your face, right? That is different from everyone else. Like that Leena told to her sister. Okay, this is the answer, children. Here only will be the answer. You have to read and you have to write the answer. How did Masadur lose his legs? How he lost? Here it is. See, Masadur at the age of 10 lost both his legs in a goose train accident. Okay, this is the answer. Then next, what kind of fitness does swimming require? What kind of fitness they require, children? They require high mental and physical fitness. Okay, this only we need in swimming. Okay, this is the answer for this. So, what you have to do? You have to write this question and answers. Read the lesson, then you will find the answer. That answer you should write it in the English notebook. Okay, this is your homework. Yes, children? Yes. Please do the homework. We are not getting from grade 5 any homeworks. Please do the homework and send it regularly. Okay, children? Okay, then today this is enough. We will meet you in the next class. Bye.